So this is a one-of-a-kind piece. There's no other one like this particular one in the world. And you can see the tracks go this way. And it's really cool because it records much more accurately than... Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Well, that does happen every once in a while. That can't be good. Now, are you done with that then?
Yeah, I'm done with that.
Guys, this is the lost treasure of Ooh.
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones. Look at this guy. So guys, this is my recommendation. Don't race on the Nittos unless the track is prepped by Mass Traction. That's Brandon Mass. Because Brandon Mass puts an extra prep down for the Nitto tires. Nittos will bounce. If they start to bounce, the rear end is dribbling. If the rear end is dribbling and then all of a sudden it hooks, it's going to snap the diff. Most tracks are not prepped to run with a set of Nittos. They're prepped to run with Mickey Thompsons, with Hoosiers, drag tires of that particular nature. So let's look at this demon right here and look at his tires. He has Mickey Thompson on his tires. Those Mickey Thompsons are going to hook. Most drag strips are prepped from 1 to 5. To run the Nitto, you have to prep it all the way up to a 10. Nobody preps a drag strip all the way up to a 10. We got one drag strip in Texas called North Star. It's the stickiest track in Texas. That track you could probably run a set of Nittos on. Nittos don't like the VHT as we call pimp juice. What Nittos like is a lot of rubber, and most people are not going to drag that much rubber. But this is the inside of the diff. This is what happened.
Inside view of the rear axle.
Here we go, brother.
And working.
It's also
So guys, let's take a look at the look at the differential. So this is what she looks like on the rear end. This is the second demon that I've seen that busted the diff. And this demon's differential busted the same way the other one busted. And that was through a dribble. There you go, guys. Hold that for me. So this is the second demon that I've seen with a busted differential. And the differential busted on the other demon the same way as this one. The car started to dribble, bound, it started to break loose, and then it hooked, and then boom. And it's like 5 or 6 demons that's happened to. And if you go to the drag strip, I see it all the time. It's not just the demon, guys, it's any drag car. If it doesn't hook and it starts bouncing, and then all of a sudden it hooks, it's just too much. The times that I've seen you go, you were spinning like this, spinning. The same thing when you're warming up your tires. You wanna go to the floor, get the tires going, and then you want to ease out of the acceleration. You don't want to heat the tires up and then all of a sudden just let out of it, because that's the same as going, boom, and then it locks. You want to slowly ease off of the acceleration so the tires don't lock when you do your burnout. The same way. So if you take off and you're spinning, and then it hooks.
Have you heard anybody having issues with the warranty or something?
No issues with the warranty. No, just so long as your car is all stock, Dodge is fixed. What about what? No, it doesn't make a difference. I don't care how many miles you got on it, just so long as it's still under warranty, Dodge is going to fix it. So, and that's it. And guys, this is the great thing about the Demon. He should have been able to call. So my question is Roadside Assistant coming to pick the car up?
Yes.
And they're going to take it to a near dealership.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's the great thing about the Demon, guys. We don't have to have a trailer to bring the Demon to the drag strip. If it breaks at the drag strip, you call Roadside Assistance, they pick it up, they take it, they look at it, they get it fixed, and he'll be back on the track again. So
Let's hope so.
No, I know so. Way to go, Mike. Good job. Well, not good job breaking the rear end, but you know, if you're not out here learning, there you go. Sometimes we have to learn that way, right?
Yeah. Let me see what's going on with roads.
Dad, are we hit? More or less. John, I'm sorry. They got us.
Show me your souvenirs that you got. So you got a tire and you got some shattered diff.
Day at the track.
All right, brother.
Good stuff.
Good stuff.
Good day.
Good day.
Lost my ride, now I gotta ride the back seat.
Guys, so this is what it's like to ride in the back seat. I mean, to ride with a Demon drag racer.
At least I can drive from the back seat.
So hold on, Tony.
This is a Demon limo, sir.
This
is a limousine.
This is a Demon limo.
Okay.
I don't know why that's. Hey, you got to put your seatbelt on back there.
Seatbelt?
Yeah, you got to wear your
I
seatbelt.
trust Tony.
No, it's against the law. You got to put your seatbelt on back there.
Yeah, you better put your seatbelt on. Be careful.
In the Demon limit service, we get you where you want to go.
Hold on, Tony.
We get you where you want to go fast in the Demon limit service. Where we go, we got it for you.
Hey man, I appreciate you letting me run your Demon. Call me and let me know what they say is wrong with your dash. And if they can't figure it out, call and we'll get Luis on the phone.
Oh, thank you.
And he'll get your mechanic to fix it.
Wednesday after Christmas, I'm taking it there.
Guys. Oh. Look, he got the front too. Right. Hey guys, this was a hamburger wrapper. Lesson number 1, never follow behind a waste management truck. Yeah, I bet it is. All mayonnaise. Oh, it still looks good, bro. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store.
Peace.